Dawn in the Lion City, anticipation for AI Wonderland, Singapore, a vibrant hub of innovation. The air crackled with anticipation. Today was the day. AI Wonderland, a unique event, was about to begin. People from all walks of life were drawn to its promise. They yearned to explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence. This was more than just a gathering. It was a celebration of the future, unfolding in the heart of Southeast Asia. The venue buzzed with energy. Participants, a mix of students, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts, eagerly exchanged greetings. They were united by a shared curiosity. They wanted to understand the transformative power of AI. The event promised a glimpse into the future of retail. It was a future where technology could empower both businesses and consumers. Among the attendees were two individuals with a burning passion for AI. Maya, a bright-eyed student, was fascinated by the potential of AI to solve real-world problems. She dreamed of a world where AI could bridge gaps in education and healthcare. She was eager to learn from the best minds in the field. Then there was Jian. A young entrepreneur, Jian had already made waves in the tech industry with his ethical AI startup. He believed in harnessing the power of AI for good. He saw AI Wonderland as an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals. Together, they could shape a future where technology served humanity. Maya and Jian, though from different backgrounds, found common ground in their shared passion. They, along with the other participants, were ready to be inspired. The day held the promise of groundbreaking insights. They were eager to dive into the world of AI and explore its possibilities. The lights dimmed, and a hush fell over the crowd. The keynote speaker, a renowned AI researcher, took the stage. His words echoed through the hall, painting a picture of a future empowered by AI. He spoke of AI's potential to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to finance. He emphasized the importance of using AI responsibly. The audience listened intently, captivated by his vision. He stressed the need for ethical considerations in AI development. He reminded everyone that AI should serve humanity. It should not control or manipulate it. His words resonated deeply with Maya and Jian. They too believed in the power of AI for good. The keynote address set the stage for a day of insightful discussions and collaborative exploration. The air buzzed with excitement as participants dispersed into breakout sessions. Experts from leading AI companies led workshops and panel discussions. Maya found herself drawn to a session on AI in education. She listened intently, her mind racing with ideas. Jian, meanwhile, joined a discussion on ethical AI practices in business. The brainstorming sessions were dynamic. Ideas flew across the room. Participants from diverse backgrounds brought unique perspectives. Maya found herself sharing her ideas with established professionals. Their feedback was invaluable. Jian, energized by the collaborative spirit, found new inspiration for his own startup. The event fostered a sense of community. It was a testament to the power of shared passion and collective intelligence.